Hey Dwayne, it's Deborah again. This time I am creating my screencast to show you the four users that I created. The first one I'd like to introduce you to is Lauren. Lauren is has the administrator role. If you see here on the administrative roles tab, she has all of the rights that are due to an administrator, including and that includes global privileges. Scheme of privileges I've given for the diabetes database project that I created. Filled in her login information, gave her a password. Next person I'd like to introduce you to is Robert. And Robert has been given the role of admin backup. And if you see here under his role and description, he's backup admin and he has minimal rights needed to be able to back up any database. And over here, I have given him these privileges that also might be given to a database administrator. The next person I'd like to introduce you to is Catherine. And Catherine has the ability to enter and modify data. So hers is a custom role. So since she would be entering and modifying data, I have given her the ability to alter, drop, execute, insert, select, show, and update data. Her schema privileges also allow her to connect to the diabetes database project. The last person that I gave rights to or granted access to is Lindsay. Lindsay is in the role of a person who is able to access views, and that would be Lindsay would have the ability to access the views that I created for week 6 assignment. Showing you that here, that's a custom role, and the only thing Lindsay has checked is show view. And again, under her schema privileges, she has access to the diabetes database project. Thank you very much.